guys, August 19th, 2022. So then I got a call from a guy, his AC's not working. So, supposed to go by there the other day, but he wasn't around. So, yesterday he wasn't going to be around. He had to go to the doctors or something. So, going by this morning, it's Friday, and I called him. He still needs me, so we'll by and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. Pretty nice day today, not crazy hot, so try to get you some shots if I can. So the fan's working. He said he changed the filter. I don't think the condenser's working outside. Talk about being a tight fit here. Holy shit. It's really tight. Tighter than 2 coats of paint here now. I don't know if I can even fit my wrench in there. Doesn't even have a screw in the back there. There's no screw. Might be another bad contactor like we had the other day. Let's see if we got any power coming in here. No power. Nothing. Nothing. Something's up with the power. This disconnect here, this breaker's on. This breaker's on here. Nothing but quality here. Nothing but fucking quality. We got no power. What kind of piece of shit is this thing? It says on Cutler hammer. See, we should have power coming in here and here. Let's see if we do. Nothing. Got no power going out there. Flip them all even on. I got no power going out there. It's probably this 30.
Third one down.
A 20. That one was tripped. This 20. That one was tripped. Let's go see if it's running out there. Boy, 20 seems a little low for that unit. Yeah, the fan's working. It was tripped. The breaker was tripped. I mean, it might just been a freak thing. It's possible. Huh? Yeah, I'll give you a sticker. Just want to check the... Has it been cooling okay?
No, it wasn't cool at all.
No, I'm saying before when it was running.
Yeah, no problem at all.
I'm going to check the charge, but she might be a little low on gas here.
Are you serviced that motor?
Yeah. Let's see what our amps are. 5.4. I like to have seen a 30 amp breaker to this thing. He's only got a 20. Well, minimum 17 and maximum's 25, so I guess 20's okay. Might have been a freak thing.
How do I get you to be my air conditioning?
Just call me when you need me. I'll come. It might have just been a freak day. Sometimes they do trip, you know.
Must have had a busy week.
I'm always busy.
You service heaters in the winter?
Yeah. Shop is probably gonna be fine.
So I put black paper on that thing down there. That rubber from the ground.
Say that again?
So I put black paper on.
That's not that critical. I mean, so it was tripped. I mean, it does happen once in a while. It's possible.
So it's just a fuse.
The breaker, right? They shut the breaker off and then turn it back on to reset it. It was a 20 amp one.
That's right, it's so good.
You gotta shut it off and then turn it back on. You probably didn't shut it off. You gotta reset it. Alright, charge looks fine. If anything, it might be a little overcharged, but we're good there. 11 on the superheat. If anything, one may be a little bit overcharged, but nothing crazy. You know, 16 on the subcooling. We're good there. See it? See them numbers? They were all good. Sure, everything's fine. Boy, you don't have much room behind this thing, huh? Wow. Not good. Alright, so she might have just tripped out.